Hi guys, Jeff here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to make a simple origami paper boat. Also, make sure to stick around to the end for a paper boat challenge. So get your paper ready and let's do it. What you'll need is one sheet of printer paper. I'm using a colored sheet, but white is fine. First thing we do is take this side and fold it to the other. So we're folding it in half like a book. Once we have that, turn it around, and then take the upper corner, fold it towards the center. So try your best, just fold it towards the center, and we're gonna do the same with the other, like an airplane fold. So if it don't come out the first time the way you like it, just adjust it. That's how it is, origami. It's about patience and taking your time. Okay, now we're gonna see that there's two flaps here. You're gonna take the top layer, fold it over this end, and give a nice crease. Then turn it over, lift the layer, and fold it over. So now, if you did that, it's starting to look like a hat, which, of course you could just leave and put it on a doll or something, or whatever you want. But we're gonna open it up from the bottom, pull it out until it looks like it's flattening. Then we're gonna flatten it out and give it a nice crease. Then take this, because we're gonna have two sides now, so take the top layer, not both, just the top, and fold it to the top point until they match. Okay, turn it over, do the same thing as we did before, and it's gonna look like this, right? So what we'll do is, again, open it up till it pulls apart, then fold it. And here's the last step. This is the part that always looks like a magic trick to me. You'll decide. We hold it like this, and it transforms into a boat, which is pretty cool. It seems very simple, but it's fun. I never get tired of doing that. And if you want to experiment with it, you could just make these boats smaller and smaller and tiny. Let me know if you were able to make them smaller and smaller. That's your challenge. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe and like to see more. And until next time, see you later.